What's up? And thank you so much for joining the Tier 5 partnership. You are going to love it, just like all our other partners. I'm Vaughn. I'm the founder and CEO of Tier 5, if you don't know that already. And before you finish, I wanted to give you a one-time only offer. That's right. I'm not a marketer, but how the one-time only offers work is they're offered to you one time. You either take it or leave it. That's completely up to you, but you won't ever see this offer again. Now, I want to tell you, for an extra $497 a month, you can get unlimited accounts on all Tier 5 software. That's right, you will never run out of agency accounts because you literally get unlimited accounts. As many accounts as you can sell or give away for free, that's your limit. It's truly unlimited. Now, you can take this offer right now for an extra $497 a month, or you can leave it and you can forget it, but you won't ever be able to get this again after you sign up. If you don't take it right now, you won't be able to come back later and say, oh, hey, I want those unlimited accounts now. That offer will be off the deal. This is the only time you can take it. It's very well priced. You'll see once you get into our software and you see our software, if you haven't seen it before, you'll understand how easy it is to sell, how valuable it is. You know, literally, if you go to our competitors to buy all the software, you'll be spending $4,000 or $5,000 a month to get the same software. So this is your one chance to get unlimited accounts and never actually run out of agency accounts. It is an extra $497 a month. But then your income potential is literally unlimited, whether you're giving this away for your affiliate bonuses or you're selling them and keeping 100% of the commission. It's literally unlimited potential. So this is a one-time only offer. You either take it now or you don't take it. That's completely up to you. You can say no. You can click the no link. If you don't want to take it, that's totally fine. If you do want it, just go ahead and click the yes link. You'll be billed an additional $497 a month. But like I said, this is a one-time only offer. This is the only time you're going to see it. You're not going to be able to get it later if you want it later. So now that's up to you to make the choice.